Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we are here because we're going to be unboxing Ashlynn's Stitch Fix box for the month of October, and it is a huge box. So for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you, and a stylist is going to send you 5 items, but for kids they get 10 items. And so she has 10 items in her box. Those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and then you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you decide to keep at least one item from the box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you keep. If you keep all the items in the box, then you get to apply a 25% discount, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee, which usually makes for a really good deal. So we're gonna get into her box to see what she got for this month. So when you open up the box, kids get stickers, which is fun. There's also a prepaid mailer bag, and this bag is going to be used to ship back anything that you don't want, or if you need to exchange items, you'll put them in the bag and they get sent back to Stitch Fix free of charge. And then we have this envelope. Inside this envelope is her price invoice sheet, and you also have your note from your stylist. And this is fix number 10 for Ashlynn. So her stylist has been Erica the whole time, and you still have Erica. And it says, "Hi Ashlynn, welcome to your first double-digit fix. I hope you're ready to dig in because boy do I have some fun pieces for you. I know how much you've been wanting a jean jacket, and I am so excited that I found one for you. You can wear it with the dress it comes with. Tie-dye is all the rage right now, or break up the set and pair the jacket with this floral top and jeans. I made sure these jeans are stretchy just the way you like them to. Then for another pop of one of your favorite colors, slip on this pink varsity striped top with the black leggings and fuzzy pullover. Lastly, with your love of soft and cozy items, check out this beige jogger set. Just add the unicorn boots and have mom let me know what you think. Enjoy, Erica." So let's go ahead and get started. First off, we have the shoe bag.
I'm excited to see what these look like.
And so she has these cute little brown unicorn boots. Those are cute. So they are by Capelli, New York, the Suri boot in tan, size 3. So those are really cute. They have this cute little soft fuzzy inside. They're really soft on the outside, and they have like the cute little unicorn horn on top. What do you think about those?
I like those because I love unicorns.
She loves unicorns. All right. First bundle looks pink and soft. Okay, go ahead and open it up. Ooh, very soft.
This is super duper soft.
Okay, so this is by Love Glam Girl, the Tammy 1/4 zip fuzzy pullover in blush, and it is super soft. It's got that cute little hood. It's got a really fuzzy, soft texture. It's got a little cuff at the end. What do you think about that, Ashlynn?
I like it because it's really soft.
Okay, next item.
Ooh, this is a big bundle.
It's a big bundle. All right, go ahead and open that up.
First we have...
Cute little floral tie top.
I think it's supposed to be like this.
Like an off the shoulder
Yeah.
maybe? Let's look at what the tag says. It says Love Glam Girl, Emille tie detail top in off-white. And so it's got a cute little floral print. It has like a ribbing texture, a little elastic sleeve here, and a cute little tie front with button detail down the front. It's really soft, cute.
This is like a little pullover thing.
So this is 918, the Kimmie twist front graphic top in mint. And that's really cute. So it's a mint little top with a unicorn detail. Like I said, she knows that she likes unicorns. It's got that twist front at the bottom. Very soft, kind of a thin little sweatshirt or pullover. Sparkles, very cute.
Next we have a dress that has unicorns too on it.
So this is RUMI and RYDER, the Harlee fit and flare dress, and it says in gray, but it's like a navy color. So it also has some horses on it and some floral print and some bunnies and things like that. So it has some nice fall colors. You've got some like burnt orange and mustard yellow and some like a gray or a navy blue and some cream. So we like these comfy dresses. Does it have pockets? It has pockets. so that'll be good.
This is a set thing.
This is a set. This is the Crown of Hearts Kinsli Tulip Hem Hoodie and Ruched Jogger set in beige. So it's like a hooded jogger set with a tulip hem at the bottom. Got the cuff here and the hood. Very soft, super comfortable. And then you've got the bottoms here. They have like the little drawstring. They've got pockets. And they've got like this little ruched bottom here for an extra little detail. That's cute. That looks comfortable.
Ooh, this one's heavy.
Oh, lots of bundles. All right, so here's this bundle.
First we have a shirt.
This is the varsity shirt she mentioned. This is by Love Glam Girl, the Irie side tie graphic tee in light pink. And so it's got a side tie knot, and it says, put your heart into it. That's what that says. It's got like a longer sleeve with the little varsity striping on it. Very soft, very stretchy. That looks really cute. What do you think? You like that?
Mm-hmm. Next is the next set.
So this is by Squeeze, the Ameliya dress and denim jacket set in light pink. And so this is the denim jacket. Ashlynn has been begging for a denim jacket. And so we've got a denim jacket here. Feels very stretchy. It's got the buttons. It's a light wash. It's got some fading on it. But underneath
is the dress.
Is a tie-dye dress. So we'll show you that. And it's got like pink and blue and green. Very soft dress, very stretchy and comfortable. And she said that you could wear this together or take it apart and separate it.
And now we have a pair of black pants.
So these are by RUMI and RYDER, the basic high-waisted knit legging in black, size medium.
They're stretchy up here.
Very stretchy. Just a basic black legging, and I think she said to put that pink varsity shirt with that, so you can't go wrong with black leggings.
We have a pair of jeans.
And Ashlynn really needed a new pair of jeans. The ones that she got last year were a little small. These are by REFERRAL Kids, the Becca knit skinny jean in indigo size 10, and they're a dark wash. They have some of that whiskering or fading right there. No distressing, just a basic dark wash jean. Very stretchy. All right, we're gonna do a try on. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back with the first two pieces, and this is the Love Glam Girl side tie graphic tee and the basic high-waisted knit legging by RUMI and RYDER. And Ashlynn, what do you think?
I like the shirt because it's nice and stretchy, and I like it because it has like stripes, and I love the heart because it's shimmery.
What about the pants?
I like them because they're just basic black, and I like basic black.
I think we could size up in the pants or leave them that size, and so we'll just check to see if we can get a larger size. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we decided to throw on this pullover, and this is the Tammy 1/4 zip fuzzy pullover by Love Glam Girl. And Ashlynn, what do you think about that?
I like it because it's really soft, and it's also soft on the inside because you can see that it has it in there. And it has like this bunchy part down here.
It's got elastic on the bottom and the pockets in the front.
And the pockets actually connect to each other.
Yeah, so what do you think about that?
I like it. I give it 2 thumbs up.
I think we might be able to size up on that too. We're gonna have to check some of our sizes, so. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we are back with the next two items, and we have on the Becca knit skinny jeans by REFERRAL Kids and the 918 Kimmie twist front graphic top. And Ashlynn, what do you think about those?
I like the top because it also has these kind of bunchy things at the end. Yeah, the cuffs. And I like it because it also has pom-poms right here. I like the jeans because they are still stretchy.
Super stretchy. The length is good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, we're going to try on the... All right, guys, we are back with the next items, and we have on the floral top and the unicorn shoes, which are attached together. But what do you think about the floral top, Ashlynn?
I like the floral top because it has like little dots, and it also has like these little flowers.
And then the shoes, what do you think about them?
I like them because they have like the unicorn eyes closed, and I like that it has that horn sticking up instead of just like painted in there.
So we think that the shoes might need to size up a size, right?
Mm.
So there are the boots. They're cute. We just think they might be a little bit small, so we're gonna have to see if we can size up on those. All right, guys, we'll be back with the next outfit. So we are back with this dress set by Squeeze, the Ameliya dress and denim jacket set. It's got the tie-dye dress and the light denim jacket. All right, Ashlynn, what do you think?
I like the jacket because you can actually button it up like this.
It's super stretchy.
And yeah, I like the color. I like the dress.
It's a really soft dress, isn't it?
And it's really stretchy. Like
Yeah.
that's how stretchy it is.
And I think it pairs well together. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that too.
All right, we've got the jogger set. We'll be right back. All right, we're back with the last outfit, and this is the Crown of Hearts Kinsli Tulip Hem Hoodie and Ruched jogger set. And this is a really cute set. Ashlynn, what do you think?
I like it because it has like that crossover thing. And I like the pants because they're just regular pants and they also have pockets.
It was a little snug around the waist, so we might look into sizing up, and the bands around the wrist are also very snug, aren't they?
And also around the feet.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back to do a quick recap and to talk about some prices, and I do think we have a few fit issues, so it will all depend on whether we can exchange for different sizes. So first off was the Love Glam Girl, the Irie side tie graphic tee in light pink, and this was $16, and that one seemed to fit really well. It was soft, it's stretchy, it's comfortable. Next is this jean jacket set with the tie-dye dress. I think that might be her favorite item in the box, by Squeeze, Ameliya dress and denim jacket set in light pink, and it's $34. And it fit well, so I think we're gonna keep that. Next is the RUMI and RYDER, the basic high-waisted knit leggings, and they were in black. They're $12. I do think we could size up to a large, just to fit better in the waist and things like that. So I'm going to check to see if I can exchange those for a larger size. And then you have the Celebrity Pink Becca knit skinny jean in indigo, size 10, and these are 24, and these were really stretchy and they had a good length, so I think they're going to work. Then we had the Love Glam Girl Tammy 1/4 zip fuzzy pullover and blush in a size medium. This was $26. This was the item that we're most questionable about. It was the Crown of Hearts, the Kinsli Tulip Hem Hoodie and jogger set in beige. It's $32. It was really hard for her to get on. Like, there's not much give here in the waist, in the cuff of the sleeve, and in the cuff of the jogger pant. They were really hard to put on. The length was good. It's $32. Cute. Just awfully hard for her to get on. Then we had the Love Glam Girl, the Emille tie detail top in off-white. That was this one. This one is $20, and it was cute, stretchy, comfortable, soft. She loved this 918 Kimmie twist front graphic pullover in mint, and it's $20, and that's a keeper. That fit really well. It's super soft. Then we had the RUMI and RYDER, the Harlee fit and flare dress in gray. This one's $24. It's a good dress for church. You can put some leggings with it and make it kind of casual. And then another item that we need to see if we can exchange sizes for, the Capelli New York Suri boot in tan, size 3, $26. So we've got some things we need to see if we can exchange. So the stylist pick subtotal was $234. The buy all discount would take off 25%, which would be $58.50, giving us an order subtotal of $175.50. But you take off the styling fee that we've already paid of $20, and that leaves us with $155.50. I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description box if you'd like to try Stitch Fix. It'll give you $25 off of your first fix. Basically, that waives your styling fee, and then you get $25 to spend in the box for whatever you wanna keep. And so let us know what you think about these items, and we will chat with you later. Bye, guys.